So I'm here today at Range Printing in beautiful Brainerd, Minnesota. Another one of our all RMGT shops. So this machine is their new 970 5-color with LED that they just bought from us. This machine features the lithic litho flash system, which you can kind of see doing its readings there. Machine has simultaneous plate changing, 25 by 38 inch size. And then over here is their original 920, which they bought from us about 5 or 6 years ago. Also still looking pretty much like new. They take very good care of their equipment here. And this machine also features the litho flash. So they're able to really just run without pulling sheets. The scanning's all done in press. One other thing that I would point out about our new 970 is that this is one of our first installations with the new Benford UV system. Just love the way that they've been able to design this to run so cool that all we have is this really small little chiller. And really, even if this was a 2 lamp system, this is only 1 lamp, but if this was a 2 lamp system, it would use that same size chiller and it would just have to work a little harder. So Range Printing in their in business since 1968 and running strong. If you can get any more information for anybody about the RMGT product, please contact Grafco at grafco.com. Thank you.